basekhaya abaningi benu have been asking for this video. So asiqale. Ama-2000 amaningi angiyekazi ukuthi ubani ushintsha Guluva. Indoda yakha one of the biggest teams in Africa. Abafana bokuthula noxolo. The Bafana Glamour Boys. Amakhosi. Kaizer Chiefs. Well, bongazi. Hlala phansi uthi ngikutshele. Igama uKaizer Motaung. Owazalwa ngazi 16 zika-October 1944. Ezalwa khona emzini wase-Orlando. Kodwa wakhulela khona la ePhefeni, eSenzo Street, nama-siblings wakhe ayi-8 with 4 brothers and 4 sisters. Ubaba Kaizer ukhule elithanda ibhola. Ephile ephethe ibhola letennis ebhokotweni. Any chance that he got ube yilolonga. Akuthathanga isikhathi eside ukuthi udumo lwakhe lwekhono lokudlala ibhola lezinyawo ukuthi licwale lonke umuzi wala eSoweto. Kwathi ngo-1960 at the tender age of 16 iklabhu enkulu i-Orlando Pirates yeze ingqongqoze emnyango wakhe izomsayina. Ku-Pirates ilapho wahlangana khona nobaba u-Ewart Nene owayeyi-team manager khona ku-Orlando Pirates. Please don't forget this name. This gentleman played a vital role in the formation of the Chiefs. Baba Kaizer Motaung was an excellent player. Waze waphiwa negama likashintsha Guluva because beyangathi alibagijima nawe vele ashintshe direction, shindoda phansi. Nenye into, he had an ability of finding open space. Awashaya manqabu. That's why he's in the top 5 players to ever don the famous black and white. Kwathi ngo-1968 ubaba Kaizer ekuma-trials eZambia wabona uye umsunguli nomphathi weqembu i-Atlanta Chiefs uDick Cecil ehamba naye owayemdlali wayi-West Ham United wakudala uPhil Hoosman owayesewumqeqeshi wale qembu i-Atlanta Chiefs. Babona ukuthi cha man, indoda inekhona akungcono siyisane iclub yethu. Base bamsanela lona iqembu labo elalidlala kuyo i-North American Soccer League and now known as i-MLS. Noma-ke wamthatha isikhashana ukuthi ajwayele indawo iZulu nokulimala wayethola training, kodwa wathi ethola ithuba lakhe lokudlala wabonisa ukuthi ubani ngoba wathola ithuba badlala naye iManchester City wangena as a second half substitute kodwa washaya 2 goals kwaphela kuyi-win for yona i-Atlanta Chiefs. From that point he never looked back because in that very same season he was voted as the rookie of the season. Wathi ngo-1969 ezovakasha ephinde futhi efuna ukuthola ithuba lokuthi angadlala yona i-Orlando Pirates wathola ukuthi some of his friends have been expelled from kwi-team. Khuluma ama-player afana nabo Thomas Johnson, Edward Msomi Khoza noRabelani Mofokeng naye i-team manager ubaba u-Ewart Nene. Bonke they were suspended because they attended a competition and they were not even given permission to go there. Bahlangana naye ubaba uKaizer Motaung ekuhlanganiseni icebo lokwakha lona iqembu. Contrary to popular belief, lento yokuthi ubaba Kaizer Motaung wahamba ngendlovu yangena ku-Orlando Pirates bonke kwabamanga. Wahamba wayocela ibusiso ku-Orlando Pirates ukuthi angavula lona iqembu. That's why most of their first friendlies were played against kuzona ezingamagebhulu bese bizwa yona iKaizer 11. Ubaba Kaizer wabuyela wayodlala eMelika and in fact I would be wrong in not mentioning other people that helped build this one big brand ebizwa ngeKaizer Chiefs. Ngikhuluma abantu abafana nobaba Gilbert Sigani, ubaba Clarence Makoti, ubaba China Ngema naye ubaba Rabelani Mofokeng. iKaizer 11 toured the whole of South Africa playing friendlies with all the teams. Baparticipate nakuma small competition nakhona bashaya kwasani bawina yonke into. Banomcubo of both experience and youngsters. Wathi ngo-1970 nge-7 zakaJanuwari Kaizer Chiefs Football Club was born. Igama leqembu kwakuwumcubo lwegama lakhe ubaba Kaizer Motaung na uChiefs waku-Atlanta Chiefs to make iKaizer Chiefs. Ngawo wona lowo nyaka ubaba Kaizer Motaung wasiza iqembu lakhe i-Atlanta Chiefs ukuthi win i-league scoring 16 goals in 16 matches. Waphinde wafakwa naku-MLS 11. Ubaba Kaizer Motaung continued playing overseas eAmerica and kuma off-season he'll then come back and play for his team iKaizer Chiefs. The title ye-Cup Kings akusindiya manje. Kaizer Chiefs used to collect ama-cups just for fun. Bebashaya kwasani. Ngo-1971 bawina i-Life Challenge Trophy. Ngo-1972 bawina i-Champions of Champs. Baphinde bawina yona futhi i-Life Challenge Cup becoachwa uyi-Thomas Johnson naye ubaba Kaizer umekhona. Kwathi ngo-1973 bawina yona i-BP Top 8 becoachwa uyi-ubaba uKaizer Motaung eyi-player manager. Ngo-1974 ubaba Kaizer Motaung wasayinela lona iqembu i-Denver Dynamos okuzoba iqembu lakhe lokugcina khona e-America. Ngawo wona lowo nyaka 1974 iKaizer Chiefs yawina their first league title becoachwa uyi-Elian Kim Khumalo. Ubaba Kaizer Motaung washaya 14 goals in that campaign kodwa-ke wayengekho half the season ngoba wayedlala khona eMelika. Baphinde bawina ne-BP Top 8 nayo i-Champions of Champs. Kwathi ngo-1975 ubaba Kaizer Motaung wathatha isinqumo sokuthi abuyele ekhaya awudlalela lona iqembu lakhe aphinde futhi alihole. Ngawo lowo nyaka 1975 Kaizer Chiefs yawina i-league isicoachwa kuyo ucoach Eddie Lewis. Kwathi ngo-1976 Kaizer Chiefs suffered their biggest loss. Babalahlekelwa kuye ubaba u-Ewart Nene, the brains behind Kaizer Chiefs, owabulawa tragically eyofuna lona iplayer ewayefuna ukuthi lidlale lona amakhosi. Wagwazwa abantu beqembu elalidlalelwa yilo lelo player. Igama le player kwakuyi-teenage umdladla. Kwathi ngawo lowo nyaka 1976 ubaba Kaizer Motaung wathatha isinqumo sokuthi he will officially hang up his boots so that he can concentrate fully at running the club. I forgot to mention that one of the things that made Chiefs was that they were professionally run and their players were played well and paid on time, unlike other teams. Waretire after ceda ukubona isimo sayo iSoweto Uprising ekubona ukuthi ibhola kungaba into engasindisa intsha eningi. Ngawo wona lo nyaka 76 bawina ileague, iBP Top 8 nayo iChampion of Champs. Kwathi ngo1977 bawina ileague futhi namacup ayi2. Kwathi ngo1978 bawina ileague nayo iTop 8 becoachwa uYubaba Khumalo futhi. Ukhumbula ukuthi kwakuyisikhathi sobandlululo. Ngaleso sikhathi kwakune league yabantu abamsundu phinde kube nayo ileague yabamhlophe. Kwathi ngo1979 ahlanganiswa ama-league wayenza ileague eyodwa and iKaizer Chiefs kwakuyiqembu lokuqala lokuwina yona iCombined League becoachwa uMario Tiwani. This is another interesting fact. Kaizer Chiefs is the first black team to beat an all-white team yeHellenic bayishaya 2-1. Kwathi ngo1980 bawina ileague futhi nayo iBP Top 8 bacoachwa uEddie Lewis. Kwathi ngo1981 baphinda futhi bathatha ileague namacup ayi2. Kwathi ngo1982 bawina amacup ayi2 with no league for the first time in a long time. In 1983 again they won 2 cups but 0 league. Ngo1984 ngonyaka ongazalwa ngawo Chiefs yayishisa ngalowo nyaka ngoba yawina ileague yaphinda yawina amacup awu3. From 1985 kuya ku1989 bebangayiwini league kodwa amacup they were certain ukuthi bayawina. They were winning a cup every season ngoba one season yaka 1987 bawina amacup awu4, iWisa Spectacular, iAllSouth Challenge, iMainstay nayo iBP Top 8. Ngo1989 babuyela phezulu kwetafula bawina yona ileague nayo iMainstay Cup. Kwathi ngo1990 bawina yona iCastle Challenge nayo iCharity Spectacular. Kwathi ngo1991 nango1992 they won the league back to back. Nayinto engikhohlayo ngo1991 top goal scorer kwakuyiwe ubaba uFani Madida. Wayeshaya ama-goal just for fun leyo muntu. Wayewasakaza, which even led him to being selected as the player of the season for loyo nyaka loyo. Asingayikhulumi ye-top 8. That trophy was theirs because they won it again kuwo wona loyo nyaka. Ubaba Shane McGregor naye ubaba uFani Madida babeshaya amanqaku for back just for fun. The first Bafana team yaka 1992 had ama-player amaningi awayedlalela iChiefs or bebadlalela iChiefs. Ngo1993 it was a bad year for iKaizer Chiefs because they won no cups, no leagues. But they got a chance ukuthi bangadlala kuma-African competitions. Kodwa sadly they were eliminated by Yiyo iZamalek nge-aggregate score ye-3-1. Ngawo wona lowo nyaka iChiefs yathola ichance ukuthi ingadlala nayo iManchester United nayo iArsenal. They played a draw against a star-studded Manchester United and got narrowly beat by yona iArsenal. Kwathi ngo1994 bawina itrophy eyodwa with no league. Kodwa bathola ichance ukuthi bangadlala nayo iLiverpool, which the game ended nge-0-0. From 1996 to 1999 azange bawine any cups, especially ileague. Ukhumbule ukuthi iPSL era yaqala ngawo unyaka ka1996. Since the year 2000 Kaizer Chiefs has won 16 cups. That includes 4 league wins: 2003-2004 season, 2004-2005 season, 2012-2013 season, 2014-2015 season. Kuba ama-MTN 8 awu4, 2001-2002 season, 2006-2007 season, 2008-2009 season, 2014-2015 season. Bawina iTelkom knockout 6 times: 2000-2001 season, 2002-2003 season, 2003-2004 season, 2006-2007 season, 2008-2009 season, 2009-2010 season. Bawina iNedbank Cup A1, which was 2012-2013 season. Or 2001 bawina yona iCAF competition. Bawina yona African Cup Winners' Cup. By the way, I did not count ama-Charity Cup nabo makhufi. Kaizer Chiefs hasn't won any significant trophy in the last 9 years, but it still remains one of the biggest teams in the country. No, in the SADC region. Over the years, they've had a lot of coaches, still with no success, but the management is working hard in trying to bring back ama-glory days. Now back to Ubaba Kaizer Motaung. Now Ubaba Kaizer Motaung has achieved a lot empilweni, but I think his greatest achievement would be umndeni wakhe. Ubaba Kaizer Motaung washada kabili empilweni. Inkosikazi yakhe yokuqala ubaba Motaung kwakuyi uMama Olga Mathebula. Baba nengane eyodwa, kodwa ke bahlukana. Ubaba Motaung washada yena uMama Mveletha. Baba nabantwana abawu4. uBobby Motaung oyi-football manager ophinda abe-director ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Kuba uJessica Motaung oyi-marketing director kuyi-Kaizer Chiefs. Kuba uKaizer Motaung Jr. oyi-sporting director kuyi-Kaizer Chiefs. Kuba uKhimiso Motaung oyi-head of digital kuyi-Kaizer Chiefs. Ubaba Kaizer Motaung usomabhizinisi ohluzekile ngoba at some point uke wadayisa istake sayo iKaizer Chiefs se-40% esidayisela yona iPrime Media just to create fund for ukuthi angaqhubekisa lona iqembu. After a short space of time wabuyela futhi wahamba wayothenga back ama-shares wakhe wadayisa i-35% yeqembu kuye uDr Mike Nkuna. Over the years Ubaba Kaizer Motaung has served in different boards wamakhampani amakhulu, amakhampani afana nabo Simba, Royal Beach Nut, New Age Beverages, neGet Ahead. Ubaba Motaung, with the help of his longtime friend uDr Ivan Khoza, played a huge role in the formation yayo iPremier Soccer League. Wabekwa ku-number 73 kuyihlelo lalo le-top 100 greatest South Africans. Wayekhona nakuyi-team bayilaletha yona i-World Cup la e-Africa for the first time. Ngayisa i-World Cup South Africa Africa 2010. Ngo-2004 waphiwa yona Entrepreneurial Leadership Award ephiwa yiyo Henley Management College. Kwathi ngo-2013 waphiwa yona i-Order of Kamanga. Kwathi nge-22 zikaJulayi 2022 waphiwa yona i-Honorary Doctorate ephiwa yiyo i-University of Cape Town. Bob Motaung continues to be a great example of black excellence. Shintsha mashintsha, shintsha Guluva. Siyabonga ba. Thank you for your legacy. Amakhosi, Bafana Bokuthula noGod, the Phefeni Glamour Boys, Kaizer Chiefs.